What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's live video I want to talk to you about how it can be easy to make money in the stock market, how a beginner like yourself possibly watching this can make money. If you've never heard of the stock market, then that is a true beginner, but the stock market is where you can trade securities of companies which go up and down daily, so that way you can invest in those companies to basically make some money, whether through appreciation over time, kind of like real estate, or through buying low, selling high, swing trading, day trading, and even dividends. So dividends can be a great monthly income for any newbie investor starting out. Not only that, but what I specifically like to invest in is real estate investment trusts, or REITs. And these REITs have to pay 90% of their income to their shareholders. And a lot of these companies pay monthly and some pay quarterly. But we're going to focus today on the ones that pay monthly dividends and how you can make money every month through dividends, but also through buying low, averaging down, and then selling portions of your stocks for more when it goes up. So what does that mean? Basically, there's a company, LAND, or Land Company. I'm going to be doing a video on it, so if you are watching this before you've seen the video, go check out the video. I did a whole 11-minute video talking about LAND stock, or Land stock, which is a great real estate investment company. Now, they pay 4 cents a month. Now, you're thinking 4 cents a month isn't a heck of a lot. Well, 4 cents for each share you own every single month. So if you own 100 shares, that would be $4 a month. Doesn't sound like a lot, but the benefit of this company is that it's only trading at about $15. So if you bought 100 shares, you'd be at $1,500 and you make about $4 a month. Now, that is not very many, much money for the month. So what you can do is, let me just double check, make sure we're still doing okay here. Make sure this is going. Yeah. Okay. So, not only can you get some money through dividends, but what you can also do is you can buy low. So this company was at about $9 a year ago, and that is okay, but this is what I mean about appreciation. Now, we're at $15 today. I think we're actually at 18, but for this example, let's say $15 even. So you buy the company for $15 after they make their dividend payout. So this is going to make the company stock slightly decrease. Now you're going to have potential to buy here. It went from $15 all the way up to $18 in about 10 days. So this is going to hold up a little bit of your money for about 10 days or so, but you would have been able to make around $250 in profit off of 100 shares. So not only did you get a $4 dividend, which is nothing now because now you're making $250 off of that 100 shares, and which means you can then sell at that high price, still get your dividend, get your appreciation and your payout of profits, wait for the dip, which right now, currently, I'm thinking it's going to go down to about 16. Now, I don't think it's going to go back down to 14 and 15 because it's creating higher highs, and then which is also creating higher lows. So it may bounce down to about 16, 1650, but it is pulling back and you can already see it. Now the RSI indicators, the MACD all show these indications of it going down. So when it does, buy the dip. When it does, buy the dip when you see confirmation, and then sell up here. And it looks like it could be anywhere from 10 to 20 days for this to tie up your cash. Again, if you guys want to know more about land, stock, or LAND, I will have a video up literally in probably like an hour or two. I'm doing this video while it's basically uploading, so you'll be able to see that video soon. Now, not only can you do this with LAND stock or a REIT, there are multiple REITs. On my watch list right now, I have a ton of REITs that are up 6%, 8%, 4% for the day. And what you want to do as a beginner is be able to watch, say, 2 to 5 companies. You don't want to you don't want to have so many companies on your watch list that it's just like overwhelming to you. So stick with like 2 to 5 companies and you watch them daily. You'll get notifications on your phone if you set that up. And basically what I want you to do is watch when it goes up, say 4% in one day. Well, if it goes up 4% in one day, then the next day it may go down 2-3%. It might go up a little bit. But the thing is watching it, maybe writing it down or setting alerts on your own and basically putting, look, I'm watching it at the $15 mark. I'm seeing it go up to 20. I'm seeing it go down to 10, 14, 12, 14, 11, 15, 16, 11, and you're watching it. And yeah, it can be repetitive, but that's how you can make money day trading and swing trading. Now, when it goes down 5% and you get notified, that is when you can see an opportunity to buy. As long as there's no major catalyst or bad news that's affecting the company or its financial statements or cash flow, stuff like that, lawsuits, anything like that can make a company go down. But if it goes down slightly for the day and you buy it at this 5% mark, and then maybe a day or two later you see it go, oh, it's up 5% now, or it's up 10% now, you make money. And that's how that works. So if you were to invest $100 down at this 5% alert, and in a few days later it's up 5%, then you would make $105. You'd have a $5 profit. Now, this can be done multiple times. You don't have to only trade one stock at a time. You can have 10, 20, 100 positions when you're ready to have that many. But for now, focus on 1 or 2 and, just watch them. I have a few recommendations, so if you guys want to know those, I can put those now. So a few of my recommendations would be APTS, LAND, GLAD, WSR, and one more, everyone knows it, O Realty, ticker symbol O. Now, these companies have a tremendous track record for going up. So it can be a guaranteed win, guaranteed profits, as long as you hold. Now, all these companies have gone up in appreciation over the years and months. So if you were to buy at the highest point of this trend of going up and down every day, even if you were to buy at the highest point, you would still make money over the long run, because what it's doing is it's creating higher highs and higher lows, and it's going like this. And every time it dips, you buy, it goes up, you sell. It dips, you buy, you go up, you sell. Even if you bought at the peak moments and it went down, you would simply hold and it would make you money. Now, that's not what you'd want to do typically. What you want to do is buy the dip and then hold, buy the dip and hold, buy the dip and hold. And over, say the course of a year, you might go from 10 shares to possibly 100, 200, or 1,000 shares. and you've been averaging down the whole time, you can have tremendous amounts of dividend payout coming to you every month, as well as appreciation like a home or real estate would over time as well. So it is actually pretty awesome to be able to make money, and I can guarantee that you can make money as long as you do these simple things. Buy the dip, watch a few companies, make sure that you know this company is doing well financially, there's no major catalyst going on, and then that's when you can determine, okay, this is a long-term hold. I could hold this company for 10 or 20 years, but I'm also going to make money while I hold this company over time, which is just fantastic. This is the way I like to swing trade. I will swing trade a company that I believe in for the long term. So if it does go sour and I buy it and I notice it goes down, I don't sell on the dip and lose money. I will simply hold it as it goes up and then be able to either decide I'm going to sell it for profit or I'm just going to hold it long term. But that's the best part about swing trading. Swing trade companies you know you'll hold long term if it does go down slightly. Then you can decide, hey, I'm going to average down these positions and I am going to increase my overall holdings, and then when it goes up to the point I want, I can sell or again hold long term. Now that's the best way to make money right now as a beginner investor, and it can be very simple to do. And for everyone joining in right now, I'm talking about investing in REITs or real estate investment trusts, which can pay you monthly dividends as well as gain appreciation just like real estate does, like your homes you live in, and that can give you money either short-term and long-term. Now, not only that, but I will give you a couple companies right now that you could put on your watch list, and I can show you that this process really works. So LAND is a great REIT company. GLAD, I've been trading that for a very long time, Gladstone. WSR or Whitestone REIT, great company, they pay a nice dividend. And APTS, AGNC, Main, MAIN. I mean, those are all great REIT companies to begin investing in. At least add them to your watch list, because then you can watch it go up and down while paying dividends out every month, if not every quarter. And at the same time, you can gain money and profits and knowledge, and you could actually get into real estate without ever having to be in real estate. Wouldn't have to be a landlord, you wouldn't have to collect rents, you wouldn't have to repair anything, but yet you're investing in real estate. And there are many companies out there. A lot of them do extremely well because they have to pay out 90% of their income to their shareholders like you and me. So start there. Watch a few companies, put them on your watch list. If they're down 5%, I'd recommend buy when they're down and you get those alerts to your phone. When they go up 5 or 10%, decide, do I want to sell for a profit? Should I hold for that sweet dividend? Or better yet, wait, buy the dip, average down, and just keep doing it over and over. Now, these can be guaranteed stocks to make you money over time, okay? They're going up over time. So even if you bought at the highest point and it went down, they have higher highs and higher lows, and you can check the financials, you can check the balance sheets, and as long as there's no bad indicators or bad news, catalysts, stuff like that, then you are in a safe position. Now, I never swing trade or day trade a company I would not hold long term. That's also something that I keep repeating, but it's important. If you believe in Coca-Cola as a company, then why not make some money while you hold the position over time? I mean, you can buy different companies over and over and over and over. It doesn't say you can only buy one company once. No, you can buy several companies daily. If you have over $25,000, you won't get the PDT rule, but you would be able to trade infinite amount of stocks. Now, doing this I've been able to get hundreds of dollars in dividends every month. I've also been able to sell for profits. You know, say I have 100 shares and I sold 50 of them at a high point and kept 50. Then when it goes down, I buy more, say another 100 shares from my profits, and then wait till it goes up and sell some more. And you could do this continuously over and over again. And I will show you in the next video that I upload, which will also be today, just how you're able to look at indicators like the MACD, the RSI, the volume, look at trends, overbought, oversold, resistant levels, support levels. I talk about all that in my next video, which is going to be titled, actually I could tell you right now what it's going to be titled, because I've already got it set up. Make money every month trading stocks, guaranteed wins for beginners. Now, it's going to be a great video. I know I only talk about one company, but you can use this for a mass majority of these REIT stock companies. And I appreciate everyone that's watching and that tuned in for this live video here. If you like these live feed videos, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And maybe let me know what day works best for you to do more live streams like this. I have lots more content coming out. I do videos every day, and there's also one going to be released today on exactly how to make money in the stock market. Guaranteed wins and victories for beginners. This is not clickbait. It's literally just a simple technique and kind of plan that I put in place for myself. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.